here's the thing: is one is that we appreciate all the creativity that went into this. I think you guys really, everybody kind of went a different direction, and that's hard to do with kind of a sweet ingredient. But everybody really kind of used their own sense and took some risks, some more than others. And we think some of those risks paid off. So again, the scoring criteria was on taste, right? So we put food in our belly because we're hungry and we want it to taste good. So that's number one. That was the highest factor out of 10 points. Number two was presentation. So how it looked on the plate. That was going to be out of 5 points. And then the last thing was use of the mystery ingredient. So creativity and use of the ingredient. So originality. And that, I think, is where the team that won really stood out to both of us, is how they use the ingredient and in a different way on top of the food tasting good and looking good on the plate. So, Bill?
There was definitely some unique ways that the mystery ingredient was used. One of them I did not expect and actually paid off. I think it was kind of the deciding factor between some different very close scores. But we want to announce the winner to be Team B.
Yeah. The mashed potatoes with the preserves inside the mashed potatoes were so good. They were so good.
They decided really truly that they took a chance, put it in there, and it really paid off. They cooked their salmon perfectly. Their succotash was good, but then the additional little sauce too with the black cherry preserves in there as well, on top of that salmon, it worked. You guys did a great job, so nice job.
Yeah.
Come on up.